everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Chipotle gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's get started. Open up a web browser and in the URL box type in www.chipotle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Sign into your account first and now go ahead and click on payment methods from this page. And now click on add a gift card option from the display. Your gift card number will be located at the back of your gift card. Simply go ahead and enter the gift card number into the text box and finally click on add card. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to add a gift card for Chipotle account. You can use your gift card as a payment method from now on. Whenever you make an order online, you can easily redeem a gift card by paying with your gift card during checking out with the product. That is how you can easily add or redeem a gift card on Chipotle account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.